Well, I got me some new hacksaw blades and that's a catalytic converter. Got it. Got this junk out of my car. That way it's quit rattling around. I'm right. I gotta take the muffler off. It just hooks right in over there. That's the only problem is it catches up there. There we go. It's good to turn it and it'll pop right out. Well, easier said than done. There we go. Catalytic converter and a muffler. My car, the key broke off down in the keyhole. So now I just got this little stump of a key, but it works. Hopefully the battery ain't dead. I hear the beepers. I need oil. Oh well, I got some. I got some the other day when I went down. Well, never mind. Got some this morning. Got it when I got the hacksaw blade to cut off that. That's me. About $40 or $50. More money, more repairs for that car. Thank goodness. I need a new radiator, and I still need the seals and stuff for the oil pan.